Hello friends, this is Tanmay Banerjee and I hope you guys are doing well. So today I have got a special message for all my viewers, all my friends, those who support my YouTube channel, those who watch my contents on daily basis. Friends, I have thought to myself that I want to utilize my YouTube platform to educate some kids, to educate some children about basic art, because I believe there are many children, there are many kids in our country, those who cannot afford to go to art classes, drawing classes because of financial problem. So I thought to myself that why not to utilize this YouTube platform in order to reach out to those kids, those children who are interested about art, drawing, painting. So whatever little knowledge I have gained over these years, I just want to impart all those knowledge to those kids, those children who are interested about art. Today I have drawn or I have sketched this village picture, village scenario for them only, for those kids only. So if you like this initiative of mine, then please share my videos with more people so that these videos can reach out to the right kind of people who are really interested about art, drawing, painting, specifically kids. I'm targeting kids and children, those who cannot afford to go to art school, drawing school. It is designed for them only, and I keep on bringing this kind of learning videos, more learning videos in coming days. I wish I'll get full support from all my viewers, from all my subscribers. Thank you. Have a good day.